Day 7. How to save money on rent, even in 2025. Let's face it, rent in 2025 feels like paying for a rooftop pool you'll never swim in. The cost of living has skyrocketed, and finding an affordable place to live can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, there are ways to make it more manageable. But what if I told you there are smart hacks to make it way more affordable? Imagine cutting your rent in half without sacrificing your comfort or sanity. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. With a few clever strategies, you can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Stick around and I'll show you how I knocked $500 off my monthly rent. No, I didn't start couch surfing. Instead, I found a way to live comfortably and affordably. It's all about making smart choices and knowing where to look. Roommates can save you hundreds, but choose wisely unless you want to be serenaded by midnight ukulele concerts. Finding the right roommate is crucial. You want someone who is respectful, responsible, and easy to get along with. It's not just about splitting the rent, it's about creating a harmonious living environment. Use apps like AppName to match with normal humans. Affiliate link below. These apps use algorithms to match you with potential roommates based on your preferences and lifestyle. It's like online dating, but for finding the perfect roommate. You can filter by interests, habits, and even cleanliness levels. Or, if you love chaos, Craigslist is still a thing. While it can be a bit of a wild west, you might just find a hidden gem. Just be sure to vet your potential roommates thoroughly. Ask for references, meet in person, and trust your instincts. After all, you'll be sharing your living space with this person. So, whether you choose a high-tech app or the old-school method, finding the right roommate can make all the difference. It can turn a stressful situation into a manageable one and help you save a significant amount of money. Happy hunting! Co-living spaces are like a Netflix subscription for housing. Imagine having all the amenities you need right at your fingertips, without the hassle of managing everything yourself. Sure, you're sharing a kitchen, but think of it as an opportunity to bond with new friends over a meal. You might even pick up some new cooking skills along the way. Plus, you get high-speed Wi-Fi, regular community events, and maybe even free coffee. These perks make it easier to connect with others and build a sense of community. Just don't expect to binge watch in total silence. The lively atmosphere means there's always something happening, making it a vibrant place to live. Everything is negotiable, even rent. Offer to sign a longer lease, fix minor stuff yourself, or pay early. Landlords love low-maintenance tenants almost as much as we love saving money. Bonus hack: move in with your parents. Free rent, free food, but you'll probably have to explain TikTok to them again. Think these tips could save you cash? Imagine what you could do with all that extra money. Maybe a vacation, a new gadget, or just some peace of mind knowing you're financially secure? Smash that like button, subscribe, and check out the links below to get started. We've got tons of resources to help you save even more. Don't miss out on our latest updates and tips. Saving on rent is the first step. Buying a yacht with those savings? Optional. But seriously, every little bit helps. Start small, think big, and watch your savings grow. Thanks for watching.